Hey everyone, in this video, I want to go over the homepage of our course. Now, the homepage during the first week or two of the semester will look something like this. It will have some kind of welcome message related to your course, so pay attention to the information there based on whatever course you're taking with me and whatever semester we're in. And then if you keep scrolling down, you'll see more information about myself, including an introduction video, and then how to connect with me, which I talk about in another video, so I'll skip over this. So again, pay attention to the information in the current semester in your class with me. And then as we scroll down some more, there's going to be this part here that says navigation tip, and then this highlighted section and additional quick access links. I'll let you check those out. The main thing I wanted to point out about this bottom part is this highlighted sentence where I say that what you see right now will eventually go to module 0, and there will be something that says from homepage or something like that. So whatever you see here will go to that. And then moving forward after the second week of classes, typically, when you go to the homepage, it will just take you directly to the modules page to where it'll look like this when you go to the homepage, except it will show the 3 most recent announcements at the top, which is how it's set up right now. You just can't see anything because as I'm recording this, well, it's before the semester and I haven't posted anything. But yeah, I set it up to where you would see the 3 most recent announcements. And then of course, if you wanted to see all the announcements, you go to the announcements link. A couple more things I want to show about the homepage that I think are really cool are the to-do list, and then also the course calendar, and then I'll briefly talk about the syllabus. And all of this has to do with navigating your different activities in the course. Starting with the to-do list, as you can see here, it shows you what you have going on, like what's upcoming. And I'm not 100% sure how the to-do list works. In some cases, after you complete an activity or submit something, they disappear, but then sometimes they don't disappear. And so it will be up to you. In many cases, it will be up to you to click on the X to get rid of it. Of course, it's a to-do list, right? So as you complete it, then the idea is that it helps you to stay organized, right? And so there's that aspect of it. Now, let me silence my phone. Forgot to do that before starting this recording. A cool thing about this to-do list is that you can click on the link and then it'll take you to that assignment. And then the second item for navigating the different activities we have in the class is the course calendar. And it will have the same information that is covered by the to-do list. And in the calendar, you can click on the item and you can access the assignment that way or see more information about it. And the thing about the calendar is what you will see here will depend on what I have published. So depending on how much I've made available, well, that's going to limit how much you can see. So like in this case, for example, it only goes so far. As you can see here, there's not a lot of information for July. So it will depend on how much has been published depending on the time of the semester. In any case, this is another way to access the different activities we have in class. It shows you the different activities and when they're due. And then another item you could use to keep up on our different activities is to go to the syllabus page. And then if you scroll down, there's a course summary section. So just like the course calendar, what you'll see here will depend on how much stuff I have published or made available to you all. Just like the other items, you can click on the link and then that'll give you more information about that assignment. It also shows you the due dates and the due time. And then the last item for navigating the different activities we have in class is to actually look at the course syllabus. Now, somewhere in the course syllabus, I do say that what I have in the course calendar is tentative in nature. It even says that here. So it's subject to change. So it's best to look at this as a general guideline, but final details should be available in Canvas. So go with what you see in Canvas. And when I do make changes to the due dates, I typically send out announcements also. But this will give you an idea at the beginning of the semester to see what kind of different things you can expect for the rest of the semester. So this goes from the very first module all the way to the final module.